Tawdry is an adjective that describes something showy, but cheap and of poor quality. It often implies a lack of taste or subtlety in appearance or style. Origins: the word comes from St. Audrey's lace, a type of cheap and gaudy necklace sold at medieval fairs in honor of St. Audrey. Over time, the phrase shortened to tawdry and evolved to describe anything flashy, yet low quality. Explanation and usage: tawdry is commonly used to describe gaudy clothing, decorations, or behaviors that prioritize flashiness over substance or quality. Example sentences: her outfit, though colorful, was dismissed as tawdry by the fashion critics. He was known for his tawdry tactics to gain attention in the media. Cultural significance: the term often critiques superficiality, particularly in material culture or societal behavior. It's used metaphorically to describe not just objects but also attitudes or actions lacking depth or authenticity. Synonyms: garish, excessively bright and showy; gaudy, flashy in a tasteless way; cheap, of low quality or value. Antonyms: elegant, refined and tasteful; sophisticated, cultured and of high quality; tasteful, showing good judgment in aesthetics. Key takeaway: tawdry encapsulates the idea of flashy, superficial appeal that lacks real quality or refinement. It serves as a critique of style over substance,